Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Are you fine? Very good. We have already learned rainy season. Today we will revision. Okay? So all of you open your GK book. Page number 3. Rainy season. Okay? So let us start. See here. See this picture. Tell me students, what do you see? In your rainy day, what do you see? Water, animals means creatures. Which creatures? Snail, frog, earthworm, slug. These creatures see during the rainy season. Okay? Tell me student, what do you wear on a rainy day? म्हणजे आपण पावसाळ्यात काय वापरतो, काय यूज करतो? रेन कॅप मीन्स टोपी, रेनकोट and gumboots means shoes. हे यूज करतो. ओके? Tell me students, how many seasons are there in India? इंडियामध्ये किती सीझन्स आहेत? किती ऋतू आहेत? सीझन्स मीन्स ऋतू. टेल मी, किती ऋतू आहेत? व्हेरी गुड, 3. Which 3 seasons? Tell me. First, summer. Second, winter. And third one is rainy season. Summer means उन्हाळा. When it is hot. खूप गरम होतं ना आपल्याला उन्हाळ्यात. So, summer when it is hot. Next, winter. Winter means हिवाळा. Means थंडी वाजते की नाही आपल्याला हिवाळ्यात. So, when it is cold. Cold means गार, थंडी वाजते आपल्याला. Winter means हिवाळा. Winter when it is cold. And monsoon. Monsoon means पावसाळा. When it rains. पावसाळ्यात काय होतो? पाऊस पडतो. So monsoon when it rains. Understood? Okay. Tell me student, where does a snail live? Snail कशात राहते? A snail lives in a shell. A snail lives in a shell. Okay? Very good. I repeat again. What do you see in this picture? तुम्हाला या पिक्चरमध्ये काय काय दिसतंय? Tell me. Houses, trees, peoples, water, umbrella, girl, boy, raincoat, rain cap, gumboots, earthworm, frog, slug, snail. Yes, no? Yes. So all of you, which rain creatures in this picture? Frog, snail, slug and earthworm during the rainy season. Okay. What do you wear on a rainy day? पावसाळ्यात आपण काहीच करतो. Rain cap, raincoat and gumboots. Very good. How many seasons there are in India? There are 3 seasons in India. Which 3 seasons? Summer, winter and monsoon. Summer when it is hot. Winter when it is cold. And monsoon when it rains. Understood? Okay. So all of you, make a video for rainy season. Means which questions? First, how many seasons are there in India? What do you wear on a rainy day? Which rain creatures do you see during the rainy season? These 3 questions your practices in your home and send me video. Okay? Thank you.